Cloud Launcher. In this particular lecture, we will go ahead and browse some of the properties of Cloud Launcher. Cloud Launcher is a part of infrastructure automation and it is not a part of actual core services, but using Cloud Launcher, you can launch different core services that are available out of Google Cloud Platform, but it is more importantly a marketplace. So let's go ahead and understand. Using Cloud Launcher, you can explore, launch, and manage production grade solution in just few clicks, right? How you want to do that, we'll just go ahead and do it. You can deploy production grade solutions in few clicks. You can have single bill for all your GCP and third-party services. It manages solutions using deployment manager, notifications when a security update is available, direct access to your partner support. Yeah, and all of this actually you can consolidate that into one particular lecture, and it is not too much. We'll just go ahead and launch the services in console. The syllabus that we have it is deploying solution using Cloud Launcher, browse Cloud Launcher catalog and viewing solution details, deploying a Cloud Launcher marketplace solution. Let's go to the console and try to explore some of the options that we have it. So this is Cloud Launcher for Google Cloud Platform, and you can find there are different combination of services that are available for us to use it. You can browse different services, like you can say LAMP stack. If you want to launch it, you will get considerable amount of information here. If you want to launch, say, SQL Server, I'll just pick one of that. SQL Server on SUSE Linux. So this one. So what it gives is, it gives you estimated monthly cost, which is like $223.31 per month. This is the provider for this virtual machine. It runs on Google Compute Engine type. It's a virtual machine. It is again a single virtual machine. It's not a multiple machines. Last updated date, category, developer stack, developer tools, version, operating system, and you will get all the details about this particular instance, what it contains, the pricing information, okay, documentation, support. More importantly, what it contains is, it contains all the software, majority of the software licenses which are there. So usually they will mark it here, and you can see image usage fees, okay. So all of that information is there. So $80 for SUSE Linux Enterprise. Then SQL Server Linux on SQL Server on Linux, $40 per month. And then this is actually your Google Compute resources information, and this contains $138 is your monthly bill for 4 CPU 15 GB machine. Persistent disk is $5, and you have sustained use discount for those service, which comes to $41, and total of this is $223. So likewise, if you go to any of those machines, like I chose LAMP, say this one, you can see there is no license fee or cost for LAMP stack. It's open source. You have one N1 standard, and this is the dollar amount. So, and then sustained use discount and $24 per month. You will have MySQL documentation, PHP manual, and the support information. All of that information is available. And if you click on this one, the instance will get launched. I'll give you some of the information, like let me type Oracle here, okay? So typically you do not have anything for Oracle as such as an instance, but we can go ahead and see one of the option here. Okay, so let me click on here, what it says. So this is SPCO Sky usage fees, and this is a different kind of licensing model which you have it as. It says BYOL. What what does it mean is bring your own licenses here, and based on what is that you want to charge it, you can go to these guys and get the license fees, and that is not included here. You can go ahead and launch the instance, but you need to have your own license or purchased already from this company to have it, right? Let me go ahead and launch LAMP stack, or do I have just Apache? Okay. Launch computing instance. So it will give you the details of what it is configured, and that's what the dollar amount which you have it. So I'm saying install php myadmin 1 CPU, and you can go ahead and change this, and then your cost will vary. As an example here, if you look at, if I change that, your cost actually gets varied. And then the disk, boot disk, networking, data lab networking or default networking, subnetwork where you want to create it, depends on which location you have it. If you want to enable Stack driver logging and monitoring, you can do that. And so that's the all information which you can give it. If at all you want to customize more, you can go ahead and do that, but that's what it is required. And I'm saying deploy. So this should create the virtual machine, and you see deployment manager kicked in. So and we are going to talk about deployment manager shortly. Okay, so LAMP is getting deployed. Let me go back here, and it should be in compute VM instance. So LAMP instance is getting deployed right now. So we'll wait for some more moment to get it deployed. Instance is getting deployed. Let me reconnect. So our instance is ready. Let us go ahead and check this one. Okay, so our instance is ready. We can use it. We can go ahead and SSH to the instance. And you can go to deployment manager and see your deployments. Okay, so this is what your deployment is. That's it for Cloud Launcher, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. In nutshell, it is actually there are templates which you can use it to launch the instances, and in some instances there are license costs already included into the GCP charges, but there are some instances wherein you will need to get your license first to use it in Google Cloud Platform. We are going to get into the next thing, which is deployment manager, in our next lecture. Thank you.